Dramatic visuals of Kangana Ranaut's posh Pali Hill property being damaged in a bid to demolish illegal structures. This even as the actor made her way back to Mumbai, her Karam Bhumi, as they say, which she compared to Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. A comparison that has left Maharashtra leaders upset and the Shiva Sena fuming. But continuing with her tirade, Kangana Ranaut has lashed out at Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray, saying his ego will soon be destroyed. I'm Maha Siddiqui here with CNN News 18 this evening. It's a cocktail of controversy, political stunt and vendetta, all playing out in Mumbai today. In a reprieve for Kangana Ranaut in her ongoing tussle with the Mahaghadi government of Maharashtra, the Bombay High Court has stayed the demolition that was being conducted by the BMC, but not before the local administration had in fact raised parts of her Pali Hill residence cum office. The BMC has been asked to file an affidavit and the case will be heard again tomorrow. Soon after returning to her car residence, Kangana released a video message saying Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray may have demolished her house today, but his arrogance will take a hit tomorrow.
The bulldozers began their work even before Kangana reached Mumbai. After giving her a 24-hour notice, the BMC brought in the machines and the men, saying she had failed to give a satisfactory reply about alterations carried out at her office in Pali Hills. Soon after her return to Mumbai, Kangana issued a video statement targeting Uddhav Thackeray and the Aghadi government.
उद्धव ठाकरे, तुझे क्या लगता है कि तूने फिल्म माफिया के साथ मिलके मेरा घर तोड़ के मुझसे बहुत बड़ा बदला लिया है? आज मेरा घर टूटा है, कल तेरा घमंड टूटेगा। तुमने मुझ पे बहुत बड़ा एहसान किया है, क्योंकि मुझे पता तो था कि कश्मीरी पंडितों पे क्या बीती होगी। आज मैंने महसूस किया है।
The actor denies there was any illegal construction in her house and has moved the Bombay High Court. By afternoon, when the court stepped in and ordered the BMC to stop the work, a portion of the balcony, the railings, parts of the kitchen, dining area, toilets and so on had already been demolished.
Kangana will have to evaluate the damage caused to her, but it appears to be in crores. See, I am assessing the damage done. This is definitely going to be a long-drawn battle now.
Using the hashtag Death of Democracy, the actor tweeted pictures of the damage caused to her residence. There was chaos today at the Mumbai airport as Kangana made her Ghar Wapasi for the first time after her POK jibe. Black flags blanked out the saffron Karni Sena banners and posters. Shiv Sena workers flooded the arrival zone, outnumbering the RPI and Karni Sena protesters. Amid high drama, she made her way to her car residence.
कंगना रनौत जो है वो अपनी गाड़ी में व्हाइट कलर की गाड़ी में बकायदा तौर पर जा रही हैं और इसके साथ साथ जो है वो हम उनके पीछे पीछे लगातार जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं.
Even before reaching Mumbai, the actor had hit back at the Sena government and the BMC through a series of tweets. Calling it Death of Democracy, she posted pictures of the demolition squad with the comment, Babar and his army. She followed it up with another tweet comparing Mumbai to Pakistan. And yet another one, repeating her charge that Mumbai is like POK now. Her supporters rallied outside the residence.
ऐसा नहीं करने का, ये क्या सच बोलने का ये है? ये गलत है, ये गलत है।
आज महाराष्ट्र सरकार संजय रावत ने कहकर धमकी देकर उनका सपना तोड़ दिया। तो जो महिला के साथ अन्याय हो रहा है, हम आज उसके खिलाफ में हैं और पूरा देश उसके खिलाफ में, महाराष्ट्र सरकार के खिलाफ में है।
Earlier at Mohali Airport, her elaborate Y+ security cover made heads turn. She breezed in to take her flight, surrounded by a bunch of CRPF personnel. At Mumbai, it was the Rajput Karni Sena and the RPI that was out to protect her.
कायदे से लड़ो ना, कायदा तुम्हारे लिए है, संविधान तुम्हारे लिए है. तुम संविधान से बातें कर सकते हो, संविधान से उसे लड़ सकते हो. लेकिन ये दादागिरी, ये गुंडेगिरी आज आप सिद्ध करके बता रहे हो कि आप एक शिवसेना क्रिमिनल है.
The Karni Sena joined battle on her behalf after Sena leaders Pratap Sarnaik and Sanjay Raut publicly targeted her.
अगर वो लड़की माफी मांगेगी महाराष्ट्र की तो मैं सोचूंगा। महाराष्ट्र की माफी मांगो, मुंबई की माफी मांगो, आप पूछ लिए उनको।
किसी के बाप का नहीं है महाराष्ट्र, says the Manikarnika star. Parts of her ghar stand demolished, and after a stormy ghar wapasi, the actor is geared up for a long battle ahead.
Joining me now on the show, Sanjay Gupta is a Shiva Sena supporter and a political analyst. Akashdeep, filmmaker. Shehzad Poonawalla, political analyst. Kulbir Kishan, he's a former IPS officer. Sanjay, I want to start with you first. The swiftness with which the BMC acted today certainly smacked of vendetta. Has the Shiva Sena played it wrong this time? Sanjay Gupta?
दोबारा बताया मेरे को।
जी संजय जी, आपसे सवाल पूछ रही हूं, जिस तरह आज बीएमसी ने इतनी स्विफ्टनेस दिखाई एक्शन लेने में, डेमोलिशन करने में, पार्ट्स जो डिमोलिश किए हैं, वो उससे ऐसा लगता है कि ये वेंडेटा पॉलिटिक्स करी जा रही है। क्या इस बार शिवसेना ने गड़बड़ कर दी अपने एक्शन में? उनको क्या रेस्ट्रेंट दिखाना चाहिए था?
देखिए, इस तरह का एक्शन को ये पहली बार नहीं हुआ है। एक बार जब कपिल शर्मा ने अपना घर बनाया था तो उन्होंने भी एक ट्वीट किया था पीएम साहब को कि क्या यही अच्छे दिन है, और यही जब ट्वीट करने के बाद देवेंद्र फडणवीस साहब मुख्यमंत्री होते थे और अगले दिन ही उनके घर पे बुलडोजर पहुंच गए थे। तो आज एक तरफ कंगना रनावत बयान देती है, उसके तुरंत बाद देवेंद्र फडणवीस जी आ जाते हैं बयान देने के लिए। तो तब देखिए, ऐसा एक तो देश विरोधी बयान दिया, मुंबई की तुलना पाक ऑक्युपाइड कश्मीर से की, फिर उसके बाद सरकार को चुनौती दे रही है, सरकार को धमकी दे रही है, बजाय अपना
आपका ये मानना है कि बीएमसी को एक टूल की तरह इस्तेमाल करना इस पूरे राजनीतिक खेल में सही था?
नहीं, देखिए, आप एक बात समझिए, ये कोई डेमोलेशन नहीं था, ये तो इलीगल वोलेशन को हटाने का एक छोटा सा एक्शन था किसी कंप्लेंट पर। इलीगल वोलेशन वो होती है जो मान लीजिए कोई एक्स्ट्रा दीवार बना दी, एक्स्ट्रा छज्जा बना दिया, एक्स्ट्रा कोई किचन बना दिया।
एक बात बताइए संजय जी, मुंबई में कितने इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स हैं और कितनों के खिलाफ इतना स्विफ्ट एक्शन होता है कि 24 घंटे के अंदर अंदर एक्शन ले लिया जाए?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि बहुत सी चीजें ऐसी होती हैं जो सरकार के संज्ञान में नहीं होती। जब सरकार के संज्ञान में आती है तो करती है। सरकार के पास लिमिटेड रिसोर्सेज है, लिमिटेड मैन पावर्स हैं। जब तक कोई चीज सरकार के संज्ञान में नहीं है, जब संज्ञान में आ जाएगी तो फिर उसके एक्शन लिया जाएगा।
ठीक है, तो आपका कहना यह है कि क्योंकि सरकार के संज्ञान में आ गया इसलिए बीएमसी का इस्तेमाल किया गया फटाफट एक्शन लेने के लिए। आई वांट टू गो अक्रॉस टू आकाशदीप. Akashdeep, you know, Kangna is also known as the queen of controversy. Do stars somewhere deep down revel in it and are not intimidated by controversy because it gives them visibility? And that's exactly what's happened today with Kangna.
Yes, I cannot say that what the BMC did today did not smack of vendetta. That definitely is the case. But there has been controversial use of words from both sides. I admire Kangana's body of work and I admire her guts to come out and speak in justice for Sushant. But POK, Taliban, and when she saw कि वो statement से कितनी गड़बड़ हुई, आज फिर बाबर, कश्मीर इश्यू एंड ऑल, आई डोंट नो। सबसे बुरी बात इसमें ये हो रही है कि मैटर सुशांत का होते होते अब इट इज बिकम शिवसेना वर्सेस कंगना, दूसरे पार्टीज वर्सेस शिवसेना, सब लोग वर्सेस कंगना। अगर कंगना ने कहा कि इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, बॉम्बे पुलिस को कहा तो इंक्वायरी हुई। उन्होंने कुछ बॉलीवुड सेलिब्रिटीज के, डू यू वांट मी टू कंटिन्यू इन हिंदी और इंग्लिश?
You can continue in whichever language you are comfortable with, sir.
I am comfortable with both. What do you prefer?
Please go ahead in English.
All right. My thought process is also in English. So, I'm saying, when she said that nepotism in Bollywood killed Sushant, and she asked the Bombay police that do not dismiss this as a suicide, start an inquiry, call Aditya, call Karan, call Rajiv Masand, X, Y, Z, whatever. They were called. You will believe it now. Do you agree they were called? And now, after 60 days, the case is turned on its head and there is nothing called Bollywood nepotism.
I will interrupt you there. I'll interrupt you there because I want to go across to Shehzad Poonawalla. This is an allegation that is made constantly against Kangna Ranaut, that she makes everything about herself. That all issues, as is being pointed out in this case, it started with Sushant Singh Rajput death probe, but now it's become about her. What do you have to say about that?
So you're telling me, Maha Siddiqui, that BMC went and broke her office because she is apparently allegedly narcissistic and she makes everything about herself. The BMC has pending 90,000 complaints about illegal structures. Every 7 days, a building falls in Mumbai, which CNN News 18 network covers very diligently and tells us about the number of people that have died. Every second day, the Mumbai streets are flooded, and I'm a Maharashtrian. By the way, I have Pune in my name, so I don't think anybody else on the panel can be even more qualified as a Maharashtrian to say this. But every second day, there's a civic apathy case that CNN is reporting. That time, this BMC keeps sleeping, and then in the last 48 hours, they got up about this illegal, so-called illegal structure.
So, Shehzad,
by the way, if it was so legal or illegal,
right?
then the court wouldn't. One second, let me complete.
Two wrongs make a right?
Can I complete my statement, Maha? Firstly, no, absolutely not. Actually, everybody who's arguing that Kangana's office demolition is justified are actually completely wrong, and there is no question of two wrongs. Kangana is absolutely not wrong. Let me tell you why. Because point number one, the court has put a stay on this. Even Sharad Pawar and Sanjay Nirupam, allies of the government, have questioned this action of the BMC. That's point number one. Point number two, Kangana did not say that Mumbai is equal to POK. By the way, POK is a part of India, not a part of Pakistan. She said that has it become such a situation that I cannot even go to a part of my own country? Is it now a situation I have to take a visa and go? So if that statement is so offensive, then Rahul Gandhi compared India to Afghanistan and Syria a few months ago on Twitter. There are people who, Mr. Sanjay Raut himself has said a lot of statements about Indian Parliament being compared to a Pakistani National Assembly apparently. There are statements of people comparing the Indian Army Chief to a Sadak Ka Gunda. With them you're forming a government and you're accusing Kangana Ranaut of being anti-national or anti-Marathi. By the way, you have formed a government with people who abuse
Savarkar. The others have been labelled as anti-national.
A girl.
Nobody so far has labelled Kangana Ranaut as anti-national. I haven't heard that being.
No, you did not hear. You did not hear Sanjay Gupta.
Sanjay
Gupta. One second, Maha.
1 second. Let me go across to Kulbir Kishan. I will come back to you. I'll come back to you, Shehzad. Don't worry. I will come back to you. There's ample time.
Give me 20 seconds.
There's ample time.
Maha, just give me 20. No,
okay, all right. Go ahead. Quickly, go ahead.
Let me complete for 20 seconds. Let me complete. Point number one. Shiv Sena and its spokespersons, Mr. like Sanjay Gupta, have been saying that Kangana Ranaut has said something which is against the country and therefore she should be punished in this way. Point number one. Point number two, I want to ask that those who are now trending yesterday, roses are red, violets are blue, they trended it for Riya Chakravarti, who was sent to jail by court. But yet Kangana Ranaut, a very well-established national award-winning actor, is being said HK by Sanjay Raut, a bad word. You and I both agree? She's been called mental insomnia. She's been called bipolar, druggy, all of these things. That time, where are these feminists? Where are these so-called Bollywood? Where are these Bollywood people? I see, Maha, I don't want this kind of debate, this Republic of Madness debate with you. I want to make my statement and then Sanjay Gupta can answer. Maha, do you want to have a civilized debate or you want to have this crazy debates that Sanjay Gupta is often a part of? I don't want to be part of that.
Shehzad, I think I've given you more than 20 seconds. I have given you more than 20 seconds. Let me go across to Kulbir Kishan. 1 second.
Where is Anurag Kashyap?
1 second. Let me go.
Where is Anurag Kashyap and Swara Bhaskar
you
today
said
for
you
Kangana
want to have a civil debate, right? So I've given you 20 seconds. Now let me go across to Kulbir Kishan.
Where are Nasiruddin Shahs of the world?
The question to you is from alleging that Mumbai cops are not professional enough to saying she doesn't feel safe in Mumbai to today calling the cops Babar and his army. Has Kangana Ranaut grossly been unfair in targeting the police force?
I don't think so. We have freedom of expression under Article 19. And if anybody is dissatisfied with whatever she says, I myself don't agree with many of her statements. But there are legal ways to tackle it. What the BMC has done today is clearly smacks of mala fide.
No, I'm not asking you about BMC action. I'm simply asking you about the statements that she has made against the police force. Is it demoralizing for the police force? That is anyway stretched.
No, I agree. The police force is stretched. But what happened in the case of Sushant Singh Rajput was definitely a travesty of justice. In the sense, it was a UD case, that is unnatural death case. And the Honorable Supreme Court itself has said that they did an inquiry under Section 174 of the CRPC, which is an inquest, which is basically to find out was it accidental, suicidal or homicidal. But instead of closing that within a week or 10 days or any reasonable time, the Mumbai police gathered around 50 statements from various people. Now, I personally feel that maybe they were thinking it's a case of abetment to suicide. But if that's the case, they should have registered an FIR.
Okay.
They never registered an FIR. Because they didn't register an FIR, the Supreme Court has held they have not done any investigation. They've only done an inquiry. Okay. and to do an inquiry for 55 days.
But today, sir, this whole matter is not being discussed in the light of Sushant Singh Rajput death case. It's become only about Kangana Ranaut versus the Shiv Sena. I want to go back to Sanjay Gupta because Sanjay... One second, sir. One second, Mr. Kulbir. Just stay on with us. संजय गुप्ता जी, आज जो बीएमसी ने एक्शन लिया है डेमोलिशन का, उसका तो आपके खुद के एलाइज भी बिल्कुल सपोर्ट नहीं कर रहे हैं. शरद पवार ने भी इसको बैक नहीं किया. ये एक बहुत बड़ी एम्बैरेसमेंट है शिवसेना के लिए.
देखिए, हर किसी का अपना अपना व्यूज है इस विषय के अंदर. हर पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का अपना अपना व्यूज हो सकता है, किसी का किसी भी तरह का व्यूज हो सकता है. अब अगर मुंबई बीएमसी को ऐसा लगा कि इस तरह का एक्शन होना चाहिए, उनके पास ऐसी कोई शिकायत आई तो उन्होंने एक्शन लिया. अब ऐसा तो नहीं हो सकता कि हर किसी पॉइंट के लिए हर किसी का अपना व्यूज एक ही जैसा होगा.
संजय
जी,
लेकिन
डेमोलिशन रोकी गई थी कोर्ट से 30 सितंबर तक डेमोलिशन रोकी गई है. ऑर्डर है 30 सितंबर तक, कोविड की वजह से नहीं होगा.
संजय जी इसका जवाब दीजिए. जी,
जो भी इस तरह जाकर तोड़ना बंद है. मैं कह रहा हूँ इलीगल है, जरूर करो.
आपने तो क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया. दिस इज नॉट अ डेमोलेशन. ये सिर्फ वोलेशन रिमूवल था.
अरे
दिस इज अ रिमूवल ऑफ वोलेशन. वोलेशन
डेमोलिशन
ठीक है. आप संजय गुप्ता एक डिस्टिंक्शन ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं कि ये डेमोलिशन नहीं था, सिर्फ इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स हटाए. लेकिन संजय गुप्ता जी, बात ये है कि इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स तो मुंबई में बहुत है. संजय गुप्ता जी एक बात सुनिए, इलीगल स्ट्रक्चर्स तो मुंबई में बहुत हैं, जैसे शहजाद पूनावाला कह रहे हैं. ऐसा क्यों है कि एक व्यक्ति जिसने सरकार को आड़े हाथ लिया उसके खिलाफ आपने झट से एक्शन करवा दिया?
देखिए, ऐसा है कि कपिल शर्मा जी का घर भी आपको याद होगा 2017 या 18 की बात है जब भी.
आप तो स्पेसिफिक एग्जांपल्स दे रहे हैं, हम आपको बाय एंड लार्ज पूछ रहे हैं कि ये 24 घंटे में एक्शन हमने कब देखा है बीएमसी के द्वारा.
और दो गलत हादसे.
देखिए, सबसे पहले तो आकाशदीप जी बार-बार बीच में आ जाते हैं, बात जा नहीं पाती.
अच्छा ठीक है संजय जी, आप बोलिए. आकाशदीप आई कम टू यू. यस संजय जी बोलिए.
देखिए, डेमोलेशन वो होती है जो घर घेर दिया जाता है, और वोलेशन रिमूवल वो होता है जो एक्स्ट्रा दीवार छज्जे वज्जे बना दिए गए होते हैं, वो होती है वोलेशन रिमूवल. तो ये जो एक्शन था ये वोलेशन रिमूवल था. दूसरा ये है कि सरकार के पास, मैंने इसका जवाब पहले भी दिया, अब कोई भी सरकार के पास जब शिकायत आती है तब उसको ऊपर वो कार्यवाही करती है. इसकी शिकायत अब आई, संज्ञान में आया तो इसका संज्ञान अब लेकर अब
ठीक है. ये बात आप बोल चुके हैं. आकाशदीप के पास जाना चाहूंगे. आकाशदीप, also the point here is that this is clearly a very political matter and not just on the part of the government here, but if you look at the kind of scenes we saw at the Mumbai airport today too, with the Karni Sena coming there to back Kangana Ranaut, ironically the same outfit, fringe outfit, that had at one point said that they will bodily harm Deepika Padukone. How do you assess this situation? I mean, it's ironical, it's laughable at some point.
That's exactly the point I wanted to make. कि focus सुशांत सिंह राजपूत के केस से अब हट के कंगना रनावत पे चला गया है, जबकि कंगना का कोई डायरेक्ट इन्वॉल्वमेंट सुशांत के केस से नहीं है. उन्होंने एक एक्ट्रेस होने के नाते आवाज उठाई कि और उस बात की आई कॉम्प्लीमेंट हर बिकॉज आई मस्ट एक्सेप्ट, ऑल्दो आई सपोर्ट बॉलीवुड, दैट द बिग विग्स did not come out in support ke we have lost a fellow actor, our brother, and let there be justice. I agree, I accept. मैं उनको उस बात पे डिफेंड नहीं कर सकता. कंगना ने किया, hats off to her, hats off to her body of work. After inquiries did not go through with the police, everybody said CBI लाइए. CBI आ गई, अब तो शांत हो जाओ. But nobody stopped. And then when you say POK and Taliban and Babar, I understand she's metaphorically saying it. You know, 1 minute, let me finish. I understand that she's metaphorically saying it. She doesn't mean it because she's earned her bread and butter and fame in this city. So she can't complain. Lekin agar out of context, let's presume as an example, if Riya had come in an interview and said, I'm being shoved left, right and center, I can't walk, there are mics being shoved into me as my car stops at the signal, people are barging in my house, wherever. Yes. What is this? Is this POK? Is this a lawless land? Can I get my space? oh my God, she would have been butchered for the statement, and people would have said, we understand what you're saying, but your choice of words is wrong. Now that's what I'm saying, Kangana. We understand your intention,
fair enough.
but your
You've made your
choice of
point
word
quite.
is wrong.
You've made your point quite well over there, Shehzad. Do you think if you're saying that she's not attracting attention per se, Kangana Ranaut, as is being alleged by many people, should she then go ahead and record her statements on what she knows about Bollywood and the drug nexus, what she knows about Sushant Singh Rajput and the death probe, considering that she has been pretty vocal about it?
Since you've given Akashdeep 2 minutes uninterrupted, I'll only ask for 1.5 minutes and I'll address all the points you're raising. Please bear with me. You said that it is ironical that the Karni Sena is now trying to be a protector of Kangana's rights. The same Karni Sena which made threats against Deepika Padukone, which I condemned. But it is also equally ironical, Mahasiddiqui, that when a person has been sent to judicial custody by a court, there are certain Bollywood actors who scream about how there's an end of democracy in this country, how there's fascism creeping in this country every day under Mr. Modi, and who also talk about the rights of feminism and patriarchy because Riaz Chakravarti was sent to jail by courts, but they have nothing to say about the kind of language. And may I also quote HK, I don't want to say the full word, HK, which was, by the way, said that
Shehzad, why should we be dependent on other people making a point?
Now again you have
are a
interrupted
political
me.
analyst. Why don't you make your point?
Mahasiddiqui, can I point out the ironies? You pointed out an irony. When I start pointing out the irony on the other side, you interrupt me and you don't allow my points to come through.
But I'm asking you,
I'm asking
you a specific question.
Let me make my point.
I'm asking
you
a
did not show
specific
such intolerance with
question
Akashdeep
about
unless you want to.
Kangana Ranaut, whether she
I'm
should
asking,
go
you
and
asked
make her
Akashdeep
statement
also. You know,
about
this is
Sushant
wasting
Singh
more
Rajput.
time. You're wasting more. Yes, by the way, for your information, Kangana has said not only about the Sushant case, but also about the larger drug Aghadi that is working in Bollywood. She has said that she's happy to make those disclosures to the right authorities. The problem here is that when the right authority, namely the Mumbai police, doesn't do its job for 65 days, when the Mumbai police does a terrible job in keeping the evidence intact, when it does little to unearth the WhatsApp chats that should have been unearthed on day one, that time when we question that, that becomes a questioning on the morale of the Mumbai police. You say it's demoralizing. However, calling the Indian Army Chief Sadak Ka Gunda is not
the
demoralizing.
matter is now
you can
with the
form a government with them. You can form a government with those. No, why? 1 second now, Maha. Don't interrupt me. Is it not demoralizing when you question the Indian Army on the surgical strikes? Then how come the Shiv Sena, which is standing up for the Mumbai police's rights, why is it they have formed a government there and they have a problem with those who are demoralizing?
The matter is now with the CPI.
Okay. So, who has told you that Kangana Ranaut is unwilling to go to any agency that summons her or calls her?
No,
In fact,
I'm asking you whether she should volunteer to go.
You do realize the tweets? So she has volunteered. Do please check her Kangana @Kangana team is her Twitter handle. Please go there. She has tagged the relevant agencies. She has said that please provide me the requisite security.
We are running out of time. My producer is constantly telling me to wrap this discussion
By the way, please ask the question why Mumbai police never did anything.
I'll have to really wind up this debate because we are simply running out of time. But many thanks to all four of you for bringing in various perspectives on this rather controversial story now. With that, let's move on now to another big story that is coming in.